Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rozayyy bringing you guys another video. And on today's try on haul, it is all wedding guest outfits. My sister is getting married, so I need you guys to help me out and pick out an outfit. I did pick out some dressy outfits and more of a casual outdoorsy outfit, you know, with the whole church thing. Like, I don't want to be too exposed, but I want to look good, you know. And it is during spring, so I definitely want something more cool, more fresh, not too heavy on the body. And of course, I got it from Shein, because Shein has everything, guys. Like, any occasion, any mood you're feeling, like, they have it for you. So I'm also thinking of dyeing my hair before the wedding. I don't know, like, I love this color, but there's days where I just don't love it too much. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think, whether I should keep the same color or go brown or lighter. I don't know. My measurements and every item link will be down in the description, and you already know I'm gonna give you guys an honest review on all of these items. So let's jump right into it. All right, first item is in a size 2XL. Ooh, cute little brown, mauve, dusty pink. Is that how you say it? Color. It's almost like silk, more of a rougher silk. Look at that. Here's the front of the dress. The straps are adjustable. It does have a little stretchy elastic on the back, so it does have some stretch also. And on the boob area, it does have like a double layer in case you want to go braless. It was ruched on one side, which is the left side. Really cute. And it is a pretty long dress, probably like down to your ankles, and it has like a little tiny opening right there. So this is nice. I would definitely have to like steam this because it is wrinkled. It's been sitting there for a couple of days, so I would say more on the dressy side, but yet like you're not trying too hard. So yeah, let's try this on. Alright guys, here goes the first outfit. And it is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. It's so flowy, it's comfortable. I did think that it was going to be like too tight right here, but it actually fits really freaking good. The color is super nice also. I actually have some shoes this same color with like two little straps on top, some little heels. So I think those shoes would go perfect with this, really with like probably all these outfits. I really like this outfit. Like, this outfit has potential. The straps, they look really nice. Very thin. I obviously don't have a lot of material left, so like I said, it's not the stretchiest, but I would say this is true to size because it's not too small, it's not too tight, it's not too baggy either, so it's just right. And I'm glad this one looks good because in case none of those work, at least we know this one does. So whoa. Okay, next we have a 0XL. Oh my goodness, look at that print. Okay, this was definitely more silky, like that soft, slippery material. This is gorgeous. Okay, so here's the front. And as you guys can tell, it does have a zipper here in the middle that goes down. Oh, okay, just like on your back actually. And it is a long sleeve. It has a little button at the end. Even though it's long sleeve, it's still like really fresh. Oh man, I hope this fits. This is like the waist part. Uh-oh. And as you guys can tell, it is like kind of like ruched in the center. So like all the material is just kind of pinned in the center, so it's gonna give you like a really nice hip, like wide hip. The back is just plain, and I would say this is like a medium length dress, but the front does have a split in the middle, so it does go up pretty high. So hopefully we're not too exposed like in the center of the legs, because we don't want that. Let's try this on. Here we have this outfit. Jeez, this dress right here is so freaking nice. Like, I think this right here is genius, how they decided to just like grab the bottom of the dress and then just like pin it up here. Like, look at this. Hey. But the only thing is that I do wish the lower layer was more like covering, you know, something like this. It opens up too much. It does poof up a little bit, but I think that's just because it had been sitting there for a while, and I'm sure like once you kind of iron it down, it'd be fine like this. On this dress, I would say to size up, because I also don't have any type of extra space right here, which I forgot to mention. On the first dress, I didn't need to even like use the zipper to put it on. On this one, I definitely had to use the zipper. Like, it was not gonna go in. I guess on this dress, since a lot is going on, you can definitely like somehow pin it down. That way it doesn't open as much like when you walk. See, like this, it'll be perfect. And then this right here, you can also kind of like open it up if you like, or just close it more. And there you go, nothing shows. I actually really like this one. Alright, so next item is in a 2XL. Ooh. Okay. I love the color already. Look at this. And the little flowers are super cute. So this one's definitely more like an outdoorsy dress. And it only has one side shoulder sleeve strap thing. And it has a zipper that goes down on the side. So yeah, that's the top part. And moving on to the bottom. Wow, this is long. It is double layered. And then the top part is just like a mesh part. And look at that split, guys. It doesn't have stretch either. But, oh man, I feel like these are gonna be like just right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this on. Alright guys, here we have this outfit. Really freaking cute. It's obviously a bit too long for me, but I think with some heels it'll be fine. The inside, it has a double lining. It has this and then it has that, but it is pretty short, as you guys can tell. And yeah, you can't pull it any more down. The whole mesh on top looks super nice, and then as you walk, you know, your leg shows. Let me demonstrate. Yeah, y'all saw that. So really nice. The only thing, like I said, the inside layers are very short, so I think like the more I walk, the thing is gonna end up being up here. Like literally it's right under my butt. So I don't have any extra space right here, but I do like how it like just makes you look slim. So that's nice, but yeah, like no extra space. Like I definitely had to use the zipper to put it on. Luckily this one's on the side, so I had no trouble. This little part right here is a little loose. Like, I don't know if I need bigger boobs for this or what, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad, so. next we have a 3XL. And I already know what this is because this is the only black outfit I picked out. It's a jumpsuit. And it's somewhat of a sleeveless jumpsuit. Like, it's kind of like a tube top. It goes like this. But it does have like a little sleeve that goes over your arm. So that's the top part. Look how cute this freaking outfit. Definitely more on the dressier side. It's a little like cross. Super cute. And then the back, it also has a little layer just hanging on the back side. It's just a long, wide-legged bottom. Wow, this is super long. Oh no, this is definitely gonna hang on me. That is pretty damn wide. And in the inside, it does have like that sticky part on the top, so it won't slide down like on your arms or anything, on your chest area. Well, it basically goes all the way around. So, and then it does have a zipper that goes down to your butt basically. It does have a little stretch, but yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and try this on. Alright guys, look how elegant this outfit looks. Like with your hair up, look at this. And it's nicely fitted, but I still have like extra room. And I just love how it kind of does this to you. Like with this little fabric right here that it's holding. It just, So I wasn't able to zip it up. So I did put a clip. Because, you know, I'm trying to see what this looks like. And I don't have anyone to sit me up. So, you know, we got to do what we got to do. This is gorgeous. Now, because it's all black and very elegant, I'm not too sure if this is like really for like a wedding outfit. I don't know. Like, do you guys think it's just like too black? Like, for a wedding, would you guys wear this? But besides that, like I said, the material is stretchy. I still have room here. I still have room here also. This little cross right here, it just looks so freaking nice. It's definitely like a good 4 inches long. I need someone to invite me to like an all black formal party because I am set. Alright, last item, we have it in a 2XL. Okay, another floral dress. Very soft, light pink. And it's that fresh material. So this is the top part. Cute little sleeveless dress with the tube top style. Ooh, this one's not that stretchy either. And it is a very long dress, also very flowy. And it does have a pretty high split, as you guys can tell. It does come with a belt, so you can tie a little knot in the front, in the back. Just a cute little detail, but really you don't even have to wear it because the little loops, you can't even tell they're there. Like, I honestly forgot it had a belt. So hopefully this is not too long. I actually really like this dress also. I really like the color of it, so let's try this on. Okay, here goes the last outfit. Okay, so this one is definitely made exactly for my height. Once I put some heels on, I don't think it'll drag at all on the floor. But yeah guys, this is super cute. Same thing, I also don't have much space around this area, but the rest, as you guys can tell, I have decent amount of space. I feel like the top looks really nice with this little, what is this called, like ruching. I have no idea what this is called. On the chest area, I don't have a lot of space. Like, obviously the top stretches, but like right here, there is no stretch whatsoever. I really like how it just flows, and then this at the top, and then it's like this in the middle. It just looks so nice. I want to say this is one of my favorites also. It's a bit see-through, like you can see the different colors under here. Alright y'all, I help your girl out and let me know what outfit I should wear that day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so I could bring you guys more of these try on hauls. Also hit that bell button, that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Give your girl a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.